Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the AI Times, unlocking the future newsletter. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, today I'm really excited to show you that I'm really sharing one of the great news, the all-time the great AI news. And yes, in today's AI agenda, I will be sharing that latest AI newsletter. First latest AI newsletter is related to the Meta and LG collaborate rumored on a UVR handset. And we have a Samsung's generative AI Bixby to redefine its smart homes. Then Huawei's mystery Metaphones matches the Apple speed. Then we have a Google Trends to 25 outline plan for AI domains. And then last, OpenAI releases a ChatGPT plus a Canva plugins. So yeah, I will be sharing AI research papers, two AI research papers, really great knowledge in this huge things in that about the AI research papers. And then I will be sharing eight latest AI tools. Really exciting that will be scale up your mind. And last, I will be sharing the prompt training which related to the ChatGPT prompt and Jenny prompt. So yeah, stay tuned for in the last row. I'm be sharing a real great news. So I am not wasting your time. Heading towards my first news, which is Meta and LG collab rumored on a new VR handset. So yeah, it's really great news that Meta and LG they are being collaborate with each other and they're making something good news for the spectators. So yeah, so for the audience. So yeah, Meta and LG collab a Roman on a new VR handset. So what is the report been saying? A Korean news report indicates a Meta and LG could join a force for a new high-end Quest Pro virtual reality handset. It's been VR, virtual reality, which may compete with Apple's Vision Pro and reportedly cost about a $2,000. And what is in detail is that the LG partnership Roma flows news that America is also set to release a cheaper Quest handset price under a $2,000 in 2024. The speculated pricing marks a significant hike from the original Quest Pro launches price of the $1,499. Yes, $1,499, later reduced to $999. So, and we have Meta has history of collaborative venture in VR handset productions, including a Lenovo branded Oculus Rift S and Kuma manufactured obstacles go. What we take in this. So Meta's potential LG collaborations could see the tech giant continue to bring a high-end VR to the consumer market while also maintaining the affordable alternatives. But with a report of a $2,000 price tag, the question remains: will this next Quiz Pro squill make an increase for the squelch to justify its hefty cost? So what is this? And in this article, so in this, they have been showing that it's not a sign of good or something that they have collaborated with this. With Meta has been collaborated with this LG about their launching of new future Quest Pro handset. So in November last year, a South Korean news outlets about this that they have been collaborated with LG and Meta for producing a new another news outlet and business newspaper suggests that there is a much broader partnership with LG Group and multiple of its subsidiaries to build a future Quest Pro handset. LG Electronic will reportedly handle productions using LG display, LG energy batteries, and other components from LG Innotek. The first product from the partnership is reportedly started in for 2025 price at around a $2,000. Report says the industry estimated handset could name the Quest Pro, but it's unlikely analysts and reports often get the name of the future products wrong while still accurately describing the device. For example, several sources suggested Quest Pro named Quest 2 Pro and the Apple version Pro would, would be called Apple Reality Pro, given Meta's currently naming scheme and reported descriptions of a Pro as a separate product line. Yes, the more likely product name would be Quest Pro 2. So yeah, that's news related to this. They have been giving a lot of good. What is this going for? Better ask about the report and we'll update the article with sponsor. What is in this video have been sharing about this
So these
Quest.
second generation avatars are pretty amazing, right? They're much closer to how you might want to show up in a setting like a work meeting. So I made one of myself. Now we've made them a lot more expressive. And not just simple things like looking left, right, up, down. but also the nonverbal cues that we rely on to communicate with each other and understand tone. Things like raising an eyebrow, squinting, widening my eyes, or scrunching my nose. These avatars are way better at capturing those subtleties that define physical interactions. They're just much more natural. And being able to control the lighting on the avatars adds another dimension of life to them. When we move the light around, you can see how it interacts with my hair, it reflects on my skin, and you can even see it in my eyes.
So yeah, that's great news that they have been putting a really high resolutions to the expressions of the AI avatar. Yes, and it's a VR virtual reality performance of they have been collaborating with the LG to coming up really, really great handset about the hands has been launched by the Apple that versions Pro, and they are coming up with really, really different and much more exciting these technology and upgrade their technology to something that people must like it and have the real experience of it of the realistic of thoughts. So yeah, that's great news. So second would be the related to the then we have Samsung generative Buxy to redefine and smart homes. So what is the report on this? The Samsung just revealed the plans to level up its voice assistant. It's not a Bixby with powerful generative AI aimed at creating a personalized environment in a smart homes. What is the details in this? The AI upgrade will equip Bixby to understand the multificated sentence and have more natural instructions. A feature indeed for a future Samsung smart home appliance. The company hopes to leverage AI to augment all Samsung devices to better adapt to and recognize the customer's lifestyle and pet trends. Samsung is also introducing Tizen RT, a downsized version of its Tizen OS, uniquely designed for smart home products. More updates expected in October at the Samsung Developer Conference. Where it matters, Samsung's place to infuse bugs by with the generative AI could change the game of smart home stack, moving from more connectivity to tailoring experience based on a user habits. While the dream smart homes has been around for a while, we might finally see some innovations worthy of this title. Yeah, they're coming up really, really exciting related to the smartphones of their smart homes appliance and where this articles over there. So yeah, Samsung aims to elevate the smart homes by wrapping its AI-powered voice assistants back to the generative AI doing in recent IFA to 2023 press conference. Samsung unveiled to plans to breathe new life into the bugs by upgrading its device yes, advanced generative AI capability and all features in future smart homes appliance. Seen a popular tool like a ChatGPT, Dolly E, and Google Bird enables the seems to understand the complex sentence and provide the multiplication response. Unlike the current generation's Bixby power devices, the enhanced Bixby will adoptly despair and intricate sentence with the multiple meanings. So yeah, at school this so they have been putting up hard on this. They're coming up really well. Generative AI will bring some mind services like ChatGPT. We are not aiming to such a heavyweight performance, even if users do not use issues specific commands. Bixby will grips the content of the conversations, persistent more and naturally interesting added. Yeah, in addition to enhancing Bixby, Samsung has also introduced it as an RT lightweight version of its state's OS that is purpose built for a smart home appliance. Samsung has the OS already boosted an impressive user base with over 15 billion devices operating in it. Then this number is projected to reach at 20 billion by the end of the year. Oh, how cool is this device? And as I have not used it, but they have been saying right now they have the 15 billion devices operating in it, and in this end of the year they will reach or the end of the 20 billion. So how cool is that? They have been putting their heart in this uh, in their plans on how plans these technology. Yes, along with it, there's integrations. Yes, integrations aims to transform smart homes into hubs of intelligence and conversations where plans distance cater to use needs to create a truly connected and personalized living environment. Yeah, how cool is this? It was really, really exciting. They have been putting a heart in it, and we'll come up in a very innovative way. So yeah, that was it for the second news. And third was related to the Huawei mystery and Meta phones matches Apple's speed. What is this report? Huawei newly released the Meta 6 Pro smartphones is reportedly demonstrating a wireless speed and equivalent to apply latest models, significant to its 5G capability. What are the key points in this? Yes, the testing has shown that the Meta 60 Pro exhibits similar hand width to other 5G phones, resulting in considerable attention from the Chinese investors. The tech industry, the model reportedly represented China successfully workaround of US trade sections and intensifying a patriotic statement in the country to tech sector. Meta 60 Pro display speed beyond 50 Mbps is testing in China mobile network. However, the particular chips used in a phone for the wirelessly connectivity remains undisclosed. Why does the Meta 6 Pro represent the breakthrough for the Huawei in-house chip application aimed US restrictions, but its capability may come at the cost of the efficiency and higher pricing aimed to section. Yeah, it's related to their chips and so how they have been covering up these technologies by Chinese government with the US. So then we have a Google's Transfer 25 outlines plan for AI domains. So that's cool that Google has now turned out to the 25 years in the industry. So what the Google has been reflecting over 25 years business and transforming from a simple search engine to a tech conglomerate. They outline their plans to assist AI domains over competitors. What is key? ChatGPT has been labeled as a Google killer due to the ability to provide consequences unlike BERT, which failed to make a comparable impact in the AI chatbot industry, refusing to the aim defeated Google results unveiled 25 AI-centric product at I/O developers conferences, including Google Enterprise and massive partnership with GM, Meta, and Flexions AI. Furthermore, their acquisitions of UK-based DeepMind has bolstered their roster of data people and software. Google's cloud business may be trapped and caught in the AI domain as the services position to support vast generative AI workloads, making it significant player in the AI space. Why should we care in this Google's inroads in the field with while a significant influence the future of technology and integrations into daily lives? I am expecting them to pull ahead in the coming months. So that's really great news. The Google search for AI feature as a trend to 25. How handset and messes, email, smartphone software, wireless care, digital YouTube, Google say hundreds of products and services. Not all of them work out. Yes, that's how AI dangerous is for jobs at a risk. Killer JetGPT opens races Google's the chatbot cells uses Google's sentence debates. So yeah, how cool this they have been putting a lot of work in these 25 years. So yeah, that's was cool news about the Google. Then we have related to the OpenAI release a Chat GPT X Canva plugins. Oh, the way introduce of plugins. I have not used these plugins. I'm not using a plus version of ChatGPT. I'm using a simple version, which is not a price version. So if you have been using a price version, so people from those use these plugins, Canva plugins. They have introduced it, and I think they have a great news for them. And using this really great news for the plugins Canva. OpenAI has integrated Canva within ChatGPT, simplify the visual designs process and streamline the artistic process. It is currently exclusive to Chat GPT Plus subscriptions and can add the generating logos, banners, and other graphics by taking user prompts and providing visual options. How cool is they can easily generate their logos, banners, and other graphical by taking user prompt and providing a visual option. So how cool is that? An easy way in that period of time. People are believe me, putting a lot of work on it. Right now, if you have a good prompt and just put it on there, they will everything they will ChatGPT will generate by using a plugins, Canva plugins. So what where the plugins where the article is related there? Yes, Canva plugins tapping the police social marketing space. OpenAI has unveiled a Canva plugins for the popular chatbot. This strategic move make a process of creating visuals such as logos, banners, even more simple business entrepreneurs. This latest could improve the way users generate visuals by offering a streamlined and user-friendly approach to digital designs. Before introducing these plugins, using Canva with ChatGPT was a somewhat complicated process, requiring user to do a lot of manual work. However, this newly launched plugins facilitate the creations of new visuals with just a few clicks. A development could be a boost user engagement with the platform. To utilize this feature, user must initiate the ChatGPT in their browser and locate the plugin store in the plugin sections. So you go and find there is everything is given over there. If you have plugin store, if you have a plugin store using ChatGPT Canva, go right into the search and Canva, install it, and that will be give you how to use these plugins. Yeah, so go and try these plugins. Is a free, I think so, and free. Well, and this is not free, and use the payment versions of the ChatGPT in there. There's options over there plugins. There's a lot of plugins over there, but they are now introducing Canva plugins. So you can use these plugins and get a lot of gains for, but you're helping with generating the logos, banners, and more things. So we're upscaling your business and what you are trying to do it. So yeah, next one's I'm heading towards my second section. This is related to the AI research paper. Really excited about AI research papers. Whole day, yes, every day there are people who have been researching on it, and they have been putting on the social medias, and their research work are also been putting on the socials, and people have been getting more knowledge from there, how the model has been working on there. In this time there we cannot see that, but right now there's a lot of free of things over there. Just go and find it and read it on it. uh, Make your solutions and make your more innovative things. So yeah, that is related to the image blind LLM multi-modality instructions training. Image blind LLM introduce an innovative approach to LLM by enabling multi-modality intersections tuning via Magen Mage bind. Unlike previous models that focused on a language and image interactions training, image blind LLM responds to diverse modality like audio, 3D printing, point cloud video, and the embedding space interesting through the image, text, and algorithm training. It's utilized the learnable blind networking to align the embedding spaces between LLMA and image blinds. Yes, image encoder progressively and injecting visuals instructions via an iterative free and zero into initialized getting mechanisms. In addition, and training free visuals models enhancing cross model embedding during the inference. This approach allows the image blind LLM to respond effectively to multi-model instructions with high qualities. So where is you can find this over here. Here's more this research paper. Everything is written in this research paper from introduction to how the models work, methods, whether yeah, who are the behind people who have been working over there. These are the people's names who have been working on the research paper. Yes, what is this related is and everything is written this under the in introductions. Recently, we have a witnessed a substantial advancement in the instruction training of the large language models with a visual intelligence, yes, and interactive teacher GPT and GPT-4. So all the models background over there. This visual instructions models versus our multi-modality image element different from existing works. Conditions only then image modality image plan LLM conducted a general multi-modality instructions tuning for image, text, audio, video, and 3D. How cool is this? This image has been how the this related work. What is the related work? Visual instructions models, multi modality arguments, method, yes, and sections. First, briefly revisit some pure works as a permanent, including a image blind catcher and LLM adapter. And sections. So everything in this more catcher models, image blind LLM, visual language pre-training, LLM adapter. There's a training program of the image behind LLM, how the image networking, how system is required, how training the image, how image is being trained over these, and go through this process of everything in this, how the process is working behind that when you're putting an image and what you want from this image. Yes, what the image has been saying, how that process work at the back. So everything is in this is paper in this here. So go, and this is really great news in this, really great knowledgeable things in this research paper. So yeah, and then second research paper is related to the constructive feature masking open vocabulary vision transformer. The constructive feature masking vision transformer (CFM) VIT as a novel image text pre-training method for open vocabulary objective detections. It is combines some masked autoencoder MAE objectives with constructive learning to improve the representative to localization task. Unlike a traditional MA, CFM VIT performance reconstructions in the joint image text embedding space, enhancing regions levels, semantics learning, positional scaling, variation improving and detections performance, and enabling the use of the frozen VIT backbone on a region's classifier. From VIT achievers state of the art results on open vocabulary detective benchmark outperforming previous approaches. This work is to introduce a promising approach to open vocabulary object detections with the visions transformers. So yeah, it's everything in this research paper. So what is the research paper is related to this? Everything in this research paper from introduction to is the custody to function mask open vocabulary version transformer. These are people that have been working over there. Google DeepMind. So how the image has been working over there. Future open vocabulary detections. Yes, it will be detective vocabulary. Which okay, it's really great. How would model that work if you change your vocabulary when you have been speaking online on a video and you want to change your specific vocabulary? It's really great news understanding how that model has been working and how you can make this model for your innovative. So that's really great news that they are searching and what the value has been saying, how they improve the vocabulary of this image is really good, how they describe it. That's really great news over this. People are really putting a hard job on us and coming up with really with a great research. So yeah, that's really this will be published on 20th October 2023. So yeah, that's been great news about the research. Then we have a test sections is related to trading AI tools, which my best one of the best sections I would say, sharing one of the great AI trading tools and mind blowing AI trading tools. So yeah, first AI trading tool was is related to the about the 10 lines of the code speed up to GTM a boost revenue. It's related to the Kaglegen's Copilot. It's a boost a revenue. So what is this is related to? It's embedded powerful AI analytical in your app with just a 10 lines of code. Want an AI Copilot of your app, but overwhelmed by the complexity and efforts required to build one. This is the app and it will give you insights of what value things and graph over there and figure out what you're trying to things when you have been in upskill your business. Try this tool and find this, what is related, what the AI this tool is coming with a really great feature and is having it. Try this feature, this free version and find really good thing in these tools. So then we have second one is patch platforms supercharge your sales and team using AI technology. This will supercharge your sales. This is related to the sales one. What separate top sales performance from everyone sales? The listed sales calls and other top performance sales pitch up patterns allow to do this faster with the AI automatizations to see more in every sale and learn faster. Go and try this. This tool is AI tool. I think I have a great feature in this. It does run with the client, boring speech. Try this one. It looks great too. And then we have Play Tools provides on-demand modern-day mental health care services. It's related to the healthcare services. On-demand modern-day mental health care, so engaging with a specialist, providing us as AI-based coaching tailored to your needs, and discover services boost your mental well-being. It will improve your mental well-being if you are in a stress. Therapy is having a multiple option. I think so. I'm not try this. Go and try this. Go and sign in and a great future in this. Then we have a Morse AI read your video and generate everything in a seconds. Oh, as cool as this. This will never worry about it. Community post again. Never worry about the video description, video text again. It's community post. So go and try this. YouTube creator, you want to know your plate. Let AI help you with bring stuff more and viewers. It's also having the 10x faster with the 10x YouTube channels. It will coming up with great YouTube channels. Faster you make your video more advanced. I think they have the press version as well. Go and log in Morris.ai. I think they have a great feature and they have the payment feature. So yeah, great tool. And then we have a AI suggests generative tones of ready to use a content and new idea for your business intents that will generate your content. Good is it get unlimited content, unlimited ideas and faster. Generate AI tones of ready to use a content and new ideas for your business intensity without ever running out of the inspiration. Start generating content. Go and start generating or use this app. AI suggestors.com. Go to then we have a meal practice, effortless meal planning with the AI generated recipe. Generate your recipe with AI that will generate your recipe in a minute. Yeah, it's cool is that. Unless you're in a chief chef with our free AI powered recipe generator, save your favorite creations to your profile, effortlessly add them in your weekly meal plan, send them and create it straight on your grocery list. Yeah, make your selections. Here you can select them what you want to be. Make a recipe. Yes, what kind of recipe you want? The chicken, fish, pork, turkey, plant, healthy, everything is whole foods. Then we have video prospecting made easy. Record once and generate thousands of plus personalized video. How cool is this? That will generate you thousands of videos. I think so. Yeah, join in the wish list. Grow your engagement rates with the compelling videos and messages. Record a single video well personalized all in the others. Yeah, if you put your single, then you will change your content over there as well by sending unlimited personalization. We're putting Tesla, Disney in one video. Nestle, Heavens, Google's, Walmart. How cool is this video? This AI tool. Yes, go and try this tool. Then last, I have a tool related to the Arcolinks review your business goals and create impactful content for enterprise. That also generate your content. Editorial management systems your competitors already use realize full of value of AI content creations by increasing your editorial efficiency up to a 9%. Go and try these tools. Having everything in this feature, I think so. Good. Let's talk room, company, blog, resources, solutions, value, product. Go and try these tools. Looks really great for marketing team, for product teams, for support teams. Yeah, good tool. And last, I will be sharing the prompt tutorial. So yeah, first prompt tutorial is related to ChatGPT prompt. So what is it's that will analyze your content and give the reasons why and why not particular audience attract to content. Particular audience insert your content and content. What is your content? What is your particular audience? It will be a entrepreneur or it is human resource related. It's your or any marketing influencer. What is your audience over there and what is the content that is content, what is the content is related is about the increasing your sales ones or making your business more better or want to analyze something that you want to be that skill up. So yeah, that's a bit over there, and that's everything is that is related to the reasons why fitness interest will be attract to be to the content, and it's related to the fitness and why it is be attract to the content. So it's put over there. There is a content related to that, and it's give you insight, great get insights over there. With this prompt, it's giving a really great details in there by ChatGPT. Use this, try this prompt, copy and paste and put in your to ChatGPT prompt, and I think you'll find a really great insights over there. And then, and last, that is related to the mid journey prompt. Yeah, blue lightning. A man is stating they have the background have the blue lightning, and they have the bottle and have and that guy having a glass within that. Yeah. So what is the prompt? Is that a man in a bar in a Tokyo blue lighting, cyberpunk, hyper details, prompt illusions, and we have these sections over there. As you notice, you put over there section AR 16 9. So that will give you really great image over there. That's related to the prompt, mid-journey prompt. I think you find this great prompt. You can elaborate this, putting a different over there, different name over the Tokyo. You have what place you are living, put over there, and over there you can make really great image created by using the by alternating this prompt. That is will be skill will blow your mind. I think so. That will help you create more image and more image or good image. So yeah, that's it. That's today's AI in AI times. So that's in today's my AI agenda. I hope you like all my sections, and if you most like, then tell me in the comments which sections you like most one about my AI times, about AI agenda. So Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everyone.